Texas, still picking up from the hurricane. Still got piles of stuff. Businesses still closed. Plastic on roofs. There's a gas station. Roof's completely caved in. Just getting into the outskirts of the damage here. This is Port Arthur. This is, God, I don't know, Galveston's 88 miles. Right there's the sign. So this is 88 miles out from Galveston. You can see trees, piles of trash, roofs. There's a roof gone. A lot of damage. Almost 100 miles from the center of Hurricane. I'm pretty shallow. I forgot the name of it. So many hurricanes, so many names. But there's a lot of damage right here where I'm at. Especially to the private sector, like the housing. People's houses have been tore up.